Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly press two lines button on the left side to navigate through current instrument cluster menu. You can also press back button on the steering wheel to change menu on the instrument cluster. Here we can find instrument cluster view, temperature of the airflow power. We can check car status, find trip timer, check tire pressure, enable speed alert, and that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.